Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. In today's video, we are going to show you the bar and try a couple of chocolate cocktails at the Toothsome Chocolate Emporium at City Walk, Universal Studios, Orlando. Holy cow, this is a busy place. We have a very interesting collection up here. Look at that mustard man. Old-fashioned telescope, a Victrola, even an old bird cage. Here's the upstairs bar. Looks really neat, kind of empty right now. And look at that, they have Wicked Dolphin Rum. You've been there with me. That's down in Cape Coral. We visited that distillery a number of times. Let's take a look at the menu. Not surprisingly, being a chocolate place, there are a lot of desserts, including all of these crazy milkshakes. We didn't have any this time around, but the regular dessert options that you see here, we have tried during previous visits, and they're really, really good. Some are a little too much, a little bit of an overload. You can also order from the regular menu at the upstairs bar. So if you ever arrive and you can't be seated, head upstairs. There might be some open stools at the bar and you can enjoy your dinner there. But of course, we were here for the cocktails and we decided to order the vanilla chocolate cocktail and the Wicked Cherry. He's mixing it over there, but I can't really see everything. He's got it all in the shaker. Putting the little bitters in there right now. And he's gonna shake her up. There's the ice. This is a vanilla chocolate cocktail, and this is the macadamia chocolate cherry. I'm not sure what he sprinkled on the top. Maybe that is just white chocolate. This is very good. It almost tastes like a Bailey's Irish Cream, but it's not nearly as creamy. Really tasty though. And that does kind of make sense because it has vanilla and chocolate vodka. It's a good cocktail. Wow, and this tastes like a chocolate covered cherry. Really impressive to make that variety of cocktails based on chocolate. But this is, after all, the Toothsome Chocolate Emporium. But what a nice view from this bar. If you look behind the bar, you can see the gears spinning. And I'll show you that from outside the building. My wife took a sip of this and said it tasted like a fudgesicle. And now that I hear that, she's right. A fudgesicle for grown-ups. And of course you have chocolate stout on tap. And that is grated white chocolate sprinkled over the top of both of these cocktails. And even the check has a beautifully embossed cover. Isn't that nice? Look at all the knickknacks on top of that. And their window has all kinds of things going on at the chocolate factory. Thanks for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed our visit. I know I sure did. And the biggest surprise was you can walk right up to that bar. You don't have to wait in line. You don't have to put your name in. Just walk up the stairs and have a seat. Great way to beat the crowds. So thanks for joining me. As always, I encourage you to like and share the videos. Leave your comments down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe by clicking my face in the corner. And don't forget to ring that bell icon. That way you'll know when I post new videos. Thanks again, I'm Mark. This is the Average Me Channel.